Good morning, guys! So, today is Hearts Day, guys. And may pa-effect ang aking labidabs. Look! Feeling maganda tayo today. May pa-flowers si Mayor. So, yan, guys. Inabutan niya ako ng flower. Insert ko na lang yung clip dito. Kasi habang nag-aayos ako kanina, inabot niya to.
Love. Happy Hearts Day.
Thank you so much. May pumalaklak tayo for today's video, ah. Parang bulok. Charot.
Hindi yan bulok. Dried flowers yan.
Biro lang ko na minibiro ko. Wow!
Love you.
Thank you. Ano naman to? Thank you.
Love you.
So, yun, guys. Happy Hearts Day to all. Let's celebrate Feb Ibig. Pasok na muna ako, guys, kasi may meeting tayo for today. So, I'll see you later. Bye, guys. So, guys, ready to go na tayo. Outfit check. Blouse, pants, and rubber shoes as usual. And bag. Yung backpack ko, didiretso ko na sa sasakyan. So, yun, guys. Meron pala akong bitbit dito. Ayan, dala na ni Habi. Ito. Para sa mga kasamahan ko sa work. Pamatiin natin sila ng Happy Hearts Day. Yun lang naman, guys. And the love of my life is there. Sinasakay na yung mga gamit ko. See you later, guys. Bye! Oh, no! Picture mo si Mami at Daddy. Dito ka mag-video mo kami. Bilis dito, oh. Lagay mo dito.
For Mom and Dad. Oh, okay. Hey. Ay, 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 ay.
From the entrance, may mga puso sila dito pa-welcome because it's Hearts Day, guys. So, we have a date today. Nanonood ng fountain. Mga ilaw-ilaw sila dyan. Tara, order na tayo. Ha? Yan, mga menu nila, guys. Meron kang rice meal options. Meron ka rin drinks option. Mga frap. Smoothies. They also have pizza and rice and burger. Ito naman tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano pang meron dito. They also have pastries. Ayun. For the bakery. Yan. Drinks. Salad. Sandwiches. Breads. Cake. Ano, bunso? Wow!
I want that chocolate croissant.
Chocolate croissant? That one? Oy, don't touch it, ha. Dito tayo. They have a lot of breads here. Enzo wants chocolate croissant.
Cookies and cream croissant, please.
Okay.
Without cherry.
Without cherry?
Yeah.
Here, oh. sweets. Chocolate fudge is so nice too, I think. And Enzo's order.
Wow.
Chocolate croissant. Parang ito ang sarap. Ha? No? Can we get? Or maybe later na lang. Parang ang dami rin ito.
Ano ba kainin mo?
Pasta ako eh.
Oh, ito lang. Saan mo babayad?
Doon, diretso din. Let's order na muna. Ako na, I'll help you. Alfredo, tapos, lemon pepper parmesan, tsaka honey garlic butter.
Lemon pepper parmesan po and honey garlic.
Butter. So, hi guys. Nandito kami sa, nasan tayo?
Sa cafe.
Sa cafe. What's the name of the cafe? Lala Garden.
Lalagoy cafe.
Lala Garden
I
Cafe.
want to go upstairs.
Okay, we're gonna go upstairs. So far, malaki nitong Lala Garden ha. Ang ganda niya. And ang daming pastries. And hopefully, kung gaano kaganda yung restaurant, ganun din kasarap ang food. Let's see. We have ordered a lot actually. Come on guys. Careful. Are you excited? Is it yummy? So guys, nandito na yung food namin. Kanina nag-order kami ng bread na may Oreo and cream. Tapos, choco banana drink. Ano to? Marinara? Parang ganun. Tapos, chicken wings, parmesan, tapos honey garlic butter, and Alfredo. Good evening! So, nandito na kami sa bahay. Late na kami nakauwi as usual. So, before natin i-end yung vlog, mag-unboxing muna tayo kasi may binigay na paper bag si Habs. And then, pakita ko lang ulit yung binigay ni Bunso. Nagbigay ng sunflower yellow kanina. At saka, greeting card. Yan. Diba? Cute. Si Habs naman, nagbigay ng bouquet. Ayan, dried flower siya. Sabi niya, tumatagal daw to ng 3 to 5 years. Nalagay ko yan sa office ko. Dito sa bahay namin. And ito yung binigay niya paper bag kasama nitong bouquet. So, let's unbox guys. Let's go to this paper bag. What's inside? The first item, tumbler. Galing pa ng Korea. Pasalubong pala to slash gift. Tingnan natin, guys. Oh, wow. So pretty. May Korean print dito, guys. It's nice, right? Yan. Ay, bago na tayong tumbler na magagamit natin sa office. Thank you, Habs. And then, dun. Ito. Ooh. Wow. With white cover. And with babasahin. As usual. Tingnan natin. Nice. Ooh. A gentle monster. Sunglasses. Alam niya, mahilig ako sa sunglasses, guys. Ayaw pa kasi sirain. Wait lang, ito na, guys. Sirain ko na nga. Naman. Oh, wow. So nice, right? Look. Gentle monster. So nice. With gold print dito. Ano siya? Parang gray-brown yung color niya. Tamang-tama may outing kami. Sukat natin, guys. Ooh, cute. Yeah. So, yan, guys. Yun yung gift ni Mayor. Gift ni Mayor. So, ito yung gift ni Habi. Yan, taray. May pa-gentle monster. Si Mayor. Si Mayor. Wow. So nice. So, yun lang naman, guys. Ligpit ko na to and i-end ko na rin dito yung vlog. So, Happy Hearts Day, guys. Bye!